Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert, and I'm here with Barnaby from Eagle Power Plus. All right, you guys have a full line of battery-operated tools, and the battery platform is consistent throughout all of them.
Well, this one is a string trimmer like no other. It is the world's first Line IQ string trimmer. And that's just the beginning of the story, but this is the big news right here, and that is the fact that it's like no more bumping to get more line out. This actually senses, Lou, when the line has gone an inch down on each side, so it's a 16-inch cut right here. When it gets down to 14, boop, just pushes it out automatically.
Really?
Never have to think about it ever again.
How about reloading with new line? That usually is something that people get a little, they just don't enjoy it.
They hate it, let's be honest, right? But with the Eagle Powerload, I mean, this was one of the greatest developments in recent memory. We are the world's first and only string trimmer that automatically winds line at the touch of a button. Now, we haven't removed you from the equation 100%. You do have to cut line in a 12 to 14 foot length, slide it through these little slots right here, even it up like a pair of shoelaces, hit the button, and it goes, pulls it in uniformly, and you're ready to go again.
Wow,
Yep.
That really makes a huge difference. It's a very well-balanced tool. As I mentioned, the battery can be used in all different tools.
Yep.
Runtime of something like this depends on the size of the battery, right?
Right, so kitted with the 4-amp-hour battery, it's going to go about an hour runtime, and that's continuous trigger time.
Right.
And that is a long time string trimming, right? So it's going to get the job done. But what's cool about it too, it's so customizable.
Right.
And this has such power that a lot of people tell us, and we do listen to what the consumer says, they go, I kind of get scared sometimes in circumstances where I really wish I could be more delicate. And sure, it's got an articulated trigger where you can kind of dial back the power, but now we have a switch that goes low and high gear. So you can turn this into just like, almost like a whisper cut. Or then you can light her up when you really want to go to town.
Right.
Yeah.
I love that. I love that. You can find this trimmer as well as other Eagle products at your local participating Ace store, and you can learn more at acehardware.com.